Scapular step ups, using either weight plate, yoga blocks, or maybe even butts to keep your hands off the floor a couple inches. Next, we're going to get in a push-up position with the feet outside of shoulder length. Round your upper back lightly. What you're going to do next is you're going to transfer weight to the ground with one hand. Then switch. So the weight's going to go to the hand that's on the ground while the opposite arm pulls back. Then we're going to reverse the motion. So now my weight is going to the hand that's on the block. I'm going to round and pull this hand up. And then switch. So again, I'm going to transfer weight to the ground, round that upper back, keep that hand off, then switch. The weight goes into the hand that's on the block, and I bring that back up. From a different angle, again, I'm going to round that upper back, I'm going to transfer weight to the ground, switch hands, and switch.